In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply chapter 2 columns in Power BI. We're going to do this right inside the table view so you can see your data and the new results side by side. Start by heading to the left sidebar and opening the table view of your report. From there, click the table that contains the two columns you want to multiply. This ensures the new calculation lives in the correct table and stays tied to the underlying rows. Next, click anywhere within that table to activate it, then go up to the ribbon and choose New Column. Power BI will open a formula bar at the top and add a new field to your table. This is a calculated column, which means it's computed row by row and stored with the data model. Before we write the calculation, give the column a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. In the formula bar, replace the default name on the left of the equals sign with something meaningful, like total revenue or units times price. Naming up front keeps everything organized, especially in larger models. Now, after the equals symbol, enter the formula. To reference a column in DAX, you begin with an open square bracket. As soon as you type that bracket, a helpful drop-down appears with the columns available in this table. Start typing the name of the first column you want to multiply, then select it from the list and close the bracket. Add an asterisk to indicate multiplication. Then open another square bracket, select the second column from the drop-down, and close the bracket. Your formula will look like new column name, equals, first column, second column. Press Enter, and Power BI will calculate the result for every row. You should now see your new column filled with values, just like a spreadsheet would do when you multiply two cells, but applied across the entire dataset automatically. If you don't see what you expect, double-check that both source columns are numeric and that you've selected the correct fields from the drop-down. The square brackets and autocomplete are your friends here. They help prevent typos and make sure you're referencing the right columns. Also, remember that this is a column-level calculation, so it evaluates row by row and doesn't change based on report filters. And that's it. You've multiplied two columns in Power BI using a simple calculated column, keeping the process clean, transparent, and easy to maintain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.